Hi, in this video we're going to show you some tips to how to get the right-click new Microsoft Excel worksheet option back in case you're missing it. So this is something that comes in very handy if you use Excel a lot, if you want to just make a new Excel worksheet in a particular location. But if you don't have that option, I'm going to show you a couple things to check for to hopefully get it back for you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open the Registry Editor. So type in regedit from the search box here. Okay, so once you're there, you're going to want to go to this H key classes root key up here. So expand that, and then scroll down to .xlsx, the extension for Excel. And keep scrolling here. Right there. So there's the old one for XLS for the older versions of Office. So once you're there, expand this key, and the thing you want to look for is a lot of the times you'll be missing this Excel.sheet.12. So if you don't have that, you could right-click on this new key, make sure it's key, and then type this in exactly with the periods and with the capital letters there. And then underneath that, you'll need to have another key. So first of all, this is just the default values for this first key here. And if you don't, once you make this, you need to make a ShellNew. Or if you have this and you don't have the ShellNew, then you could right-click on this new key and make this ShellNew. And then once you're there, you'll have this default key, which you should make by default. And then underneath that, you'll have to make a new string value. So right-click new string value because you want this type the reg underscore sz. Let me delete this because I don't need it. And once you make that new value, you could double-click it. Change the value name to FileName with capital letters, no space, and then you want this path here, which I'll put in the description. And so once you create that, what you need to do is you need to go to that location. So we'll copy this path here, open up a File Explorer, paste it in there, and then once you're there, you need to make sure you have this excel12.xlsx file. So you can't create it there because you can't create anything there, so you'll have to make it somewhere else, then copy it over. Just make sure it's a blank Excel file. Just make a new file like you normally would do, save as. Type in this name exactly like this, capital letters, 12, and then copy it into here, this location. So you have that so it matches this. Like so. And then this, you should have there by default. This as well should be there by default with these keys in it. So like I said, the main thing you want to check for into the .xlsx key is that you have Excel.sheet.12 with no value set. Then another key, ShellNew, spelled just like this, with the default value. And then this other string value with this path. Like so. Make sure you include this at the end too. And then, like I said, just copy that path, open it up in File Explorer, make sure you have this file here, and then you should be good to go. This usually fixes it in most cases, so it's worth checking out to see if that helps you out. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.